Yeah, I don't want to, sort of put you through a lot of things, except that I really enjoyed being here for 2 days, complete before time and leaving after time, like a good student. Uh, I learned a lot, and being basically a practical engineer, you relate to, certain things which you have not seen. Of course, MRC, fortunately, these youngsters, they do call me for, going through some of their workshop, whatever they call it. Uh, I would like to just tell, enough since we started, since you started. I think your quality has become better and better and better. So that's excellent thing. As somebody said, your papers are excellent. Uh, and nobody smiles, everybody's serious. Serious chap, that's been also. So, which means they're all working very hard. Okay, I think as far as what happened in the last 2 days, everybody's spoken, and so I don't have to add anything to it. They have not said anything wrong, so it's okay. Uh, I'm very happy to see young people from the NDA and especially naval officers. So you all know there's something below the ship also, right? And there's a submarine also, he knows it anyway. But below the submarine also there is something. And MIT, I was uh, very happy that you learned so many things. I have one question of, what are you going to do with it? The question, you learned, you're going to do something with it. Yeah. So be in touch with MRC, right? Learn more. If it's fascinating, interesting, please take it up because we need people to get into the underwater region. It's a big, big thing. It is not just, whatever you've heard. There is a lot more. Okay? And it is pretty exciting space. Dark, can't see. You'll have to go down there to feel, not even see. Right? I am also very happy to see from our sister services very strongly represented because, and of course, since we were all talking on the land and down below, I didn't find it. The morning I saw an Air Force Wing Commander.
That's a come of NDA.
Oh, okay. So I was going to say it's good that we got this space also with us, but I don't see him today now. Uh, it, it did cause a lot of interest, and it got me to sit here both days listening. There is a lot to be done. We brought out the issue of what was that 27. You brought out a thing about some vision.
Okay.
Vision 2047. Yeah. So it's important because we all have to fit into the national thing because all of us work in thing. I'm glad I'm out of uniform because now I'm able to work beyond the uniform and lots happening. Because I am also working with small groups of excellent researchers and thing, and their ideas are sometimes so fantastic. The only problem we have is I don't know how to. We can do a lot on paper, but to bring it to a project level, the one thing is the basic thing is the money. But today, yesterday, Wish, he said there is no problem money, there's etc. So I'm more excited that money is not an issue. So we have to continue working to bring it to a product. Thank you very much for being more than even today at 5:30 after 2 days, more than 60% of the hall is still full. So that is a good sign. And we have one old man and a lot of young people still there. Thank you very much for being here. And I must again acknowledge that's Arnav. He said he knows me from 2000. So you know why he's so disciplined now. And uh, he has been one who's been always wanting to do something new, and glad he took it up as something after he left. And also the researchers, you chaps are doing good work. And what I would like to say is I can see the convergence now. If you remember my first two, I said, when are we going to converge? When are we going to? I can see the convergence now.